Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this. This is an electric bike. The problem is when you're plugged into the electricity, it won't charge. Let's plug the charge. And the adapter LED turns red. It means the battery is empty. And until sometimes it will turn green, indicate that the battery is full. But the problem is the battery is never full and never charging. So I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna try to fix this. Let's get started. Okay, before we start to check, we need to check this adapter output. This is a DC adapter. I need to unplug and let's check. This is a DC adapter, output 6 volt and 1000 milliampere. We need to check with multimeter if the output is correct. Okay, let's choose the DC voltage. This is the symbol for the DC. It's showing 8.1 volt. Actually, it's more than 6 volt, but it is okay. It's normal. I think the adapter is okay. And this is also we need to check the on-off switch. Sometimes it has a corrosion or a loose connection, the loose cables. We need to check. And also the motor. We need to check the motor if it's still good or no. Okay, to check the motor, you need to open this bolt. This is very tricky to open the tire. If you open like this, it will not be open forever. You know what? Because the other side also moving, this side. So you need to hold this side and open this. So you need two tools to hold and to rotate. Okay, the next step is we need to check the batteries or the motor. This is the battery location. We need to unscrew. Okay, this is the battery, 6 volt and 4.5 ampere hours. This is my multimeter. The position is in the volt DC. This is the symbol. Red probe is for the positive and the black probe is for the negative. It's showing 2.193 volt. It's below the voltage that required to run the motor. If you want to check if this battery is still good or not, I'm using this regular adapter, DC adapter, and I'm charging with this alligator clip. Let's wait until several minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And I'm charging with the regular adapter directly. And if I check, the output is 2.1. This is still low, very low. This is supposed to be 6 volt. And if you are charging this maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's not increasing, then you need to replace the battery. Okay, after several minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we check again. And it's still 2 volt, 2.1 volt. So I think this battery is already bad. So I guess this battery have some problem. For example, this is similar with the battery from your old car. Actually, you still can recover this battery. You can open this top side. It has a liquid and iron plate inside. Usually, if the voltage getting low, maybe because the liquids, the distilled water is become low. We need to add some water to several levels, like the old car battery. You can put the distilled water inside here and you can recharge again. And usually it's working. It's getting back to the 6 volt level, but sometimes it's not last longer because also the plate is become corrosion. So let's compare with the new battery. This is the new battery I got from the electronic store near my house. And okay, when we check the new battery, It's showing 6.6 volt. This is on the full capacity. So maybe I will replace the battery and see what will happen. If it's good, that is okay. If it's not working, you need to check also the motor. That usually the second problem that most this toy bike facing, the battery and the motors. We need to open the motor, the DC motor. We need to check if it's still working or not. Okay, this is the relay, the fuse relay. It's 10 ampere. This relay is for protection. If the battery is full or getting heat, it will be cut off itself. And then also we can check. This is the adapter going here. Here we need to check. This is going to relay and this is going to the batteries. We need to check with the volt DC if it's going to the batteries for charging. The black probe going to the black and the red one is going to the red. Yes, we have a DC reading 8 or 7.9. It's a good connectivity while I'm plugging the adapter. This too is going to the batteries to make charging. So there is no problem with the cables going to the batteries. Okay, let's try with the new battery. To turn on the bike, you need to unplug the adapter first. This is already on and this is going forward and this is off. This is reverse. Okay, I guess the toy is now fixed. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support me making more videos about electronics and how to fix it. Again, thank you very much. Terima kasih. See you. Bye bye.